Is erectile dysfunction permanent or reversible? Erectile dysfunction, referred to as ED, can be both permanent and reversible, depending on the underlying causes and individual circumstances. ED, or erectile dysfunction, refers to the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual activity. In some cases, ED may be temporary and reversible. This frustrating condition can be caused by factors such as stress, anxiety, fatigue, relationship problems, or certain medications. Addressing these underlying causes and making lifestyle changes can often help resolve temporary erectile dysfunction. However, in some instances, ED can be a symptom of a more serious underlying medical condition that requires ongoing treatment. While permanent ED may not be curable, there are still treatment options available to manage the condition and improve sexual function. These may include medications like oral inhibitors such as Viagra or Cialis, natural treatments, penile injections, and vacuum erection devices. Then there is penile implants, or other therapies recommended by a healthcare professional specializing in sexual health. Is erectile dysfunction a permanent problem? Erectile dysfunction is not necessarily a permanent problem for all individuals. Because the nature of ED can vary depending on the underlying causes, individual health, and lifestyle factors. However, in some instances, ED can be a persistent or recurrent problem. The important thing to note is that regardless of whether erectile dysfunction is temporary or more long-lasting, there are specialist treatment options available to manage the condition and improve sexual function. Is erectile dysfunction reversible? Yes, erectile dysfunction is reversible in very many cases. However, the ability to restore normal erectile function through appropriate interventions and treatments depends on the underlying causes and individual factors involved. Here are some steps that may help in reversing ED. Lifestyle changes. Maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, managing stress levels, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption is a step in the right direction. As is quitting smoking, which can significantly improve erectile function. Psychological support. Addressing underlying psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, or depression through therapy or counseling can often reverse ED. Medications. Several prescription medications, such as Viagra or Cialis, are available to help improve erectile function. These medications work by enhancing the blood flow to the penis. Specialist treatments. These have been found to help increase erection hardness, the ability to penetrate, and give overall sexual satisfaction. They help many men enjoy great sex anytime they're ready. Can erectile dysfunction be cured permanently? The concept of a permanent cure for erectile dysfunction can vary depending on the underlying causes and individual circumstances. In some cases, ED can be effectively treated to the point where the symptoms are no longer present, or they are significantly improved, allowing for a satisfying sexual experience. It's important to note that advances in medical research and technology are continually improving our understanding and treatment options for ED. Modern specialist treatments can have amazing results, giving a 100% satisfaction guarantee. These treatments work by fueling your body around the clock with erection pumping nutrients. That means you can be ready for hot sex whenever and wherever you want. Can erectile dysfunction be cured completely? Erectile dysfunction can often be effectively treated and managed, allowing for significant improvement in sexual function. While a complete and permanent cure is not always possible, many individuals experience substantial improvement in their erectile function, with appropriate specialist treatment. These men found a cure for their problem. Together with an enhanced ability to penetrate their partner, they found an improved sex drive, better quality of orgasms, and overall sexual satisfaction. What is the permanent cure for erectile dysfunction? There is no single permanent cure for erectile dysfunction that applies to all cases, because the effectiveness of treatment depends on the underlying causes and individual circumstances. However, there are several approaches and treatment options that can effectively manage and improve erectile function in many cases. Lifestyle changes. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can have a positive impact on ED. Medications. Oral medications and specialist treatments are commonly prescribed to treat ED. These medications enhance blood flow to the penis, facilitating erections. They are generally effective, but they do not always cure the underlying causes of ED. Psychotherapy. If psychological factors like stress, anxiety, or depression contribute to ED, psychotherapy or counseling may be beneficial. Addressing these psychological issues can improve sexual function. Hormone therapy. In cases where hormonal imbalances are the cause of ED, hormone replacement therapy may be prescribed. This involves supplementing or adjusting hormone levels to restore normal erectile function. Penile implants or surgery. In severe cases of ED that are unresponsive to other treatments, surgical options like penile implants may be considered. These devices are implanted in the penis to provide an erection on demand. Specialist treatments. In a recent clinical study, these treatments were proven to help men achieve and maintain harder erections, as well as boosting their sex drive and libido, which elevated their orgasm intensity and their overall sexual satisfaction. In conclusion, if you are experiencing erectile dysfunction, it is recommended to seek the expertise of a healthcare professional specializing in sexual health, as they can provide a thorough evaluation, identify the underlying causes of your ED, and recommend appropriate treatment options, tailored to your specific needs. However, not all men want this to be their first port of call, especially if the problem is only temporary, or they just need a little bit of help. And that is where natural specialist treatments are an ideal starting point. They are often an effective solution to manage and improve your erectile function, ultimately enhancing your overall sexual well-being and quality of life. For more help, click the link below this video.